Hello and welcome to today's daily message. I'm asking the same question every day this week, and the question is a simple and direct one. What can I do to get closer to God today? My message today is very simple and very direct. Who is that person in our lives to whom we need to say, I love you? Is it a spouse, a son or daughter, an in-law? Is it a parent? Is it a friend of ours? We can never tell those whom we love that we love them often enough. We cannot say it often enough because when we share the gift of love, we are sharing God's most profound gift, that gift that sums up every other gift that He has given us, because God is love, and God has made us to be love for each other. Who is that person in your life whom you need to say today, I love you? Thank you very much.